Good morning, Dan here from Dan Wagner Window Cleaning. Winter has arrived, temperature-wise anyway, in northeastern Pennsylvania. It's in the low 20s now, and all week it's going to be cold, and we know we'll get plenty more of that. Well, you never know this winter. Anyway, I'm out window cleaning, and just a quick rundown of how you can successfully and safely do so even in cold weather. Got my bucket here, and you can see it's got a mixture in there that's not typical. It's windshield washer fluid mixed in with soap and water. It'll lower the freezing temperature and allow you to clean windows without it freezing, as long as you have enough in it. But anyway, it's good not to touch it too much with your hands. It's got methanol, alcohol in it. So what I do for for safety and for warmth is I wear these neoprene gloves when it's necessary. These are breathable, but they're completely waterproof. As long as you keep your hands dry, at least you'll have a reasonable amount of warmth and dexterity as well. But just another thing, be very careful when you're pulling your scrubber out of the bucket to get ready to apply it to the windows. Don't slosh it all over the place. In the summer, it might not be a big deal just to have soapy water on pavement, but in the winter, it's going to eventually freeze, and you don't want a safety hazard here. You've got a door right there. Anyway, just a little quick rundown. Be warm, of course. Wear a hat if you need to. Layers. I've got layers. I've got thermal undershirt, a turtleneck, a very thin base layer as my third, and then I don't usually wear my coat here, but I got a winter coat. It's a little bulky, but do what you have to do. It is possible in northeastern PA and other cold areas. Be safe. Have a good day. You'll like what you see.